Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 2 on the topic of Chapter 15, the simple past tense regular verbs. I am repeating, our today's topic is Chapter 15, the simple past tense regular verbs. Students, this is our 7th lecture and 6th SW. I am repeating, this is our 7th lecture and 6th SW. Students, for today's class, take your New Enjoying Grammar book and open page number 50. Page number 50, it means the simple past tense regular verbs. With your book, take your notebook and writing elements. First, we will discuss about the topic and then we will do some exercise. So, let's start. The actions that happened before now, that is in the past, we call them the simple past tense. It means when we mention something happened in the past, we call it the simple past tense. We add d or ed to the words to get the past tense form. I am repeating, we add d or ed to the words to get the past tense form. Students, look this example. Yesterday was Sunday. It was a holiday. Samir got up at 9 o'clock. He brushed his teeth and washed himself. He played with his dog and watched TV. Look here, the word brushed, washed, played, washed. These are called the simple past tense and these are called regular verbs. Now students will learn some rules for the simple past tense. Our first rule is we add d to action words ending in e to get the past tense form. I am repeating, our first rule is we add d to action words ending in e to get the past tense form. Look at these examples. Live, live, lived. Dance, danced. Tie, tied. Look in this example, this word ends with the letter E. And our rule is, if we find the word ending with E, we have to use D to make it past tense. So according to our rules, we add D at the end of the words. And these are called past tense. Now come to number 2. We double the last letters of some action words and add ed to get the past tense form. I am repeating our second rule. We double the last letters of some action words and add ed to get the past tense form. Now you can see this example. Knit, knitted. Clap, clapped. Stop, stopped. Students, look here. The word knit. Here the word ends with the letter T and it is consonant. Before consonant we find the letter I and we know there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U and I is a vowel, so we have to make double the last letter T. That means the consonant will be double here. So we write knitted and made the letter double. Like this one, we made this one double here and this one also. Clap is clapped and stop is stopped. Now number 3, we add ed at the end of the word. For example, walk, walked, pass, passed. Student, look here, this word walk and pass. Do you find any letter like E or any vowel before the last letter? No. There is no matching like the rules of 1 and 2. So simply we add ed. So this was our third rule. Now students will do some exercise on the basis of the rules. Complete these sentences with the past tense forms of the action words in the brackets. Students, in this you will find some words in bracket and you have to use the past form of these words in the gap. Our first fill in the blank is Priya dash very well. In the bracket the word is dance. Students, come to our first rule. Our first rule was we add D to action words ending in E to get the past tense form. Look at the example. Dance will be danced. As we find E at the end of the word, we have to use D. To make it past tense. So according to our rules, we have to write here danced. D A N C E D. Danced. Now come to number 2. Rajesh dashed the telephone. In bracket you find the word answer. And the past form of answer is answered. A N S W E R E D. Answer. Rajesh answered the telephone. Number 3. The teacher dashed questions in class. In bracket the word is ask. So you have to write the past form of the word ask. The past form of the word ask is asked. We have to use ed at the end of the word. A-S-K-E-D. Asked. So the sentence will be the teacher asked questions in class. Now come to number 4. Kunal and his sister dashed the room. In the bracket we find the word clean. So the past form of the word clean is cleaned. We have to put ed at the end of the word. Then the word will be C-L-E-A-N-E-D. Cleaned. Kunal and his sister Kunal and his sister cleaned the room. Now come to number 5. Kea dashed her hair. In the bracket the word is comb. The past form of the word comb is combed. You have to add ed at the end of the word. The spelling will be C-O-M-B-E-D. Combed. The sentence will be Kea combed her hair. Number 6 and last number. Father dashed the door. In bracket we find the word lock. So the past form of the word lock is locked. The spelling will be L-O-C-K-E-D. Locked. Then the sentence will be Father locked the door. Students, I have given your homework. Your homework will be exercise 1 to 6. I am repeating again. Your homework will be exercise 1 to 6. And don't forget to write the lecture number and SW number at the top of the corner of your copy. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You have to submit your homeworks on Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies and collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You have to submit your copies because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your homeworks. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.